So in this video, I'm going to be reviewing Sculptshe Shapewear. The size that I got is a 3XL. I could have went smaller, but I still like 3XL. I got it in black, and I wanted to do a shapewear video for plus size women. So if you're ready to go, this is it. By the way, I am a size 12. So just giving you an idea on my measurements and things like that. But without further ado, let's get into this video. So like this is like the shapewear from the bottom. So this is what it looks like on the outside, but then on the inside it has these silicone straps so it doesn't move. And then you have the vaginal area, which is it zips from front to back, so you have a nice little opening so you can use the bathroom, which is really good. And then you have the front area, which is hooks, and it's only one hook, it's not like three. And then you have the zipper, and then you have the straps, adjustable straps, which is also really good. And they are removable if you don't want the straps, so that's also a good thing too. So I 100% recommend this shapewear. It is top notch, it is bomb, you can't go wrong with it. Get it. Everybody needs, you can never go wrong with another piece of shapewear, and Sculptshe is where it's at. This is me without the shapewear. No shapewear. As you can see, I'm not as like snatched. This is me from the side. As you can see, like the rolls in the back aren't as concealed, and this is me from the back. This is what the shapewear looks like. And it has silicone strappies so it doesn't like slide or anything. And then this is what the back looks like. So yeah. Okay, so I have on my pretty little thing, full-on form-fitting bodycon jumpsuit with the Sculptshe shapewear, and I'm gonna back up and show you. So this is what the shapewear looks like. I like to think that it conceals. This is the back. This is the back. And this is the front. And this is the side. This is the side. This is what the shapewear looks like. I could have went smaller, but I went with the 3XL just to be safe. Now that I'm wearing it, I could have went with the 2XL, and that probably would have snatched me up even more. So I 100% recommend the shapewear. I put the shapewear on at 4 o'clock, and it is currently 12 a.m. So I wore it for 8 hours. I wore it for 8 hours, completely comfortable. I can sit down. It doesn't feel like I'm being super squeezed in, like, and it has a zipper part by the JJ area, which is good. Shapewear, because the shapewear that I usually wear is by Yahira, and if you know what Yahira shapewear is, that shapewear is top 2, and it's not 2. So this Sculptshe shapewear is absolutely fantastic. Like, I will always wear my Sculptshe because it's super, it's like thin, but it's like really durable and strong, and I really like it, and I really like the way it looks. You cannot see it through clothes, and I really like it. So I 100% recommend. The shapewear is not as expensive as Yahira, because I know Yahira shapewear is like around $100. This is, I believe, maybe around $75. For this one, I believe the bodysuit that I have is $75. So you can really, I mean, one thing about shapewear is that shapewear in itself, for good shapewear, it's going to be expensive. So if you want to have really secure shapewear, I 100% recommend Sculptshe Shapewear because it will not break your pockets. And with the Yahira shapewear, they had like hooks that you can hook onto your bra. Like this one has straps, so you feel like way more secure. I will provide a link where you can get this shapewear. I believe they come in different colors. I got black because black is just, I typically just want black shapewear. I don't usually go for nude. I know they had different colors and different types of shapewear, but I decided to go with this one. You don't feel like you're wearing a waist trainer. And that's something that I really can't stand about some shapewears. You feel like you're wearing a waist trainer. I could breathe. I was able to drink. Like, I wore this shapewear all day. Like, on an empty stomach, that looked even more snatched. But even after I ate, I still felt secure. And I feel like I wasn't fully bulging like that. So, if you need shapewear, you gotta get this. All right, so thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this helped a lot of you guys out and figure out how to purchase your own shapewear. I really wanted to upload this video because I am on the thicker side, and I know there's usually smaller women reviewing shapewear, but I wanted to do something for my plus size girls. So thank you so much for watching, and if this video helped you out at all, like, comment, subscribe, and see you in the next video. All right, bye guys.